In today's tutorial, we will explain how the driver application works, specifically how a driver can go online. Once a driver logs in, they are redirected to the driver dashboard. On the dashboard, the system checks the compatibility of the drivers based on their assigned features. If a driver is eligible to go online, they can do so by clicking on the Go Online button. Once online, a driver's status is updated, and they can receive trip requests from the system. By clicking on the top left bar, drivers can view all their pre-scheduled trips. In the New Jobs section, drivers can see all those trips which have not yet been accepted. Once a driver clicks on the Accept Request button, the trip is accepted and the driver can view all accepted or assigned trips in the My Job screen. Here, drivers can see the pickup and drop-off location and other details about the trip. When a customer makes an on-demand trip request, the driver can see basic details like the estimated trip time, pickup and drop-off location, etc. Once the driver clicks on the Accept Ride button, the request is accepted. After that, the driver can see the current location and pickup location. The Arrive button is enabled when the driver is within the pickup radius. Once the Arrive button is enabled and the driver reaches the pickup location, they can click on the Arrive button. When the driver clicks on the Arrive button, a waiting timer starts and the customer is notified. Once the driver picks up the customer, they can click on the Pickup button and start the trip. Once the trip begins, the system calculates the estimated arrival time based on the current location and drop-off location. Additionally, drivers can see other details about the requested vehicle type, the number of passengers, number of luggage items, and the estimated amount. Upon reaching the drop-off location, the driver can click on the Drop-Off button to complete the trip. After that, the driver can enter the amount received from the customer. Once the trip is completed, the driver can give ratings to the customer and add any necessary reviews, which will aid the system. After rating the customer, the driver's status will be updated to free, ready to accept further trips. By clicking on the top right bar, the driver can go offline. This changes the driver's status to unavailable, preventing them from receiving any further trip requests from the system. By clicking on the Summary button, the driver can view their earnings and all the trips completed on that day. Also, by clicking on a specific trip, the driver can view the details of the completed trip. In addition, drivers can refer other drivers to the system. Under the Account tab, drivers will find a Refer option. By clicking on it, drivers can invite friends to register in the system, enabling them to earn referral amounts as well. Lastly, to update their profile, drivers can click on the Settings button and then on the My Profile option. Here, they can view all the details they have entered. By clicking on the Edit button in the top right corner, drivers can update information such as their first name, last name, and address. After making the necessary changes, they can save them by clicking on the Save button, which automatically updates their profile. In this manner, drivers can receive trip requests from the system and take other actions using the driver application.